Hey everyone, it's Chris with DR Horton. Welcome to the Towns at SeaBrooke. Wanted to show you our amazing new floor plan. It's called the Norman. 1763 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's go take a look. Thank you for taking the tour with me of the Norman. Please give me a call if you want to take a look at any of our amazing communities, but this one is at the Towns at SeaBrooke.